Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vegan Brie. I talk about all things vegan and cruelty-free, mainly beauty. We're gonna get into my paid for Boxycharm unboxing. I posted my PR one, and I usually post it earlier, but I got it late because my box was stolen, yada yada. But this is my paid for one. So last month I was missing 2 items. This month I'm not missing an item. Well, okay. So I still have 6 items because I boost my box, so I get 6 items instead of 5. It's more money. I got a product that I did not choose for one of my choices. So let's get into that. So first, this is the item that I did not choose. And I was kind of confused. Like, why is this in here? Like, I didn't choose this. I remember it being one of the options, but I would not choose this because it's not cruelty free, first of all. But anyway, it's the L'Occitane hand cream. It's not cruelty, as I just said, it's not cruelty free. They recycle paper, and I think it's vegan. I don't know. Unless it has like goat milk or like something like that, I would assume it would be a vegan product. I'm just gonna get this as a gift because it's not cruelty free, so I did not pick this. And I chose the Iconic London mascara that I got in PR in the brown. I'm pouring this right now. I think I threw away the box, but it's the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lip Velvet and Peachy Nude, and I'm wearing it with the lip liner that I got from Anastasia Beverly Hills last month that was missing from my box, but I got it this month in the shade Deep Taupe. So yeah, I really like this lip color a lot because a lot of nudes with my skin tone, because it's fair, they can look kind of too peachy, like orange, and I do like this product. I don't think it's the most long wearing product in the entire world, but it doesn't wear off odd on your lips. Like, and I'm not gonna say it's the most hydrating. It's a little drying, but any type of product that lasts a while, that's like matte, usually isn't the most hydrating. But we'll do a kiss, okay? So that's just from the lip liner, but it has this it has this like velvet feel to it, which makes sense. It just feels really smooth on the lips. Like, it's not, I don't know how to describe it, but yeah, it's not super long wearing. Like, it's not gonna last forever like a liquid lipstick, but it's also not gonna dry the crap out of your lips. It's a little bit drying, but I do like the color, and I do think it's a nice product, and the packaging is nice. This I already got this in the Icon box. I feel like it was Lisa Vanderpump, so I'm gonna give this as a gift. All right, I knew I had 2 of these. Look, this is from the Icon box from the Lisa Vanderpump back in November. And then I just got this at Boxycharm. Sometimes it happens, you get the same product that you got, like maybe you get like a mini in an Ipsy glam bag, and then you get the full size in the Icon box or the Boxycharm By Ipsy box. I don't get to make choices for my PR unboxings, by the way. So this is choices, but I don't gotta choose. You can choose, what is it, 4 out of the 6, I think? Yeah, okay. So yeah, I don't know. Or okay, it is cruelty free, but I don't know if it's vegan because it says collagen, so and it doesn't say like vegan collagen, so I'm not sure about that. This is a bougie brand. Let me tell you what it is. The Dermalactives Triple Power Collagen Moisturizer. So it's very expensive, bougie. I give one to my mom and one to my mother-in-law. So because I have a lot of anti-aging products from Boxycharm, as well as I have been trying Tretinoin and haven't noticed a difference yet. I don't have a lot of fine lines. You can't even see them far away. But I don't have tons of fine lines, but I'm getting some like under my eyes and my 11s and yeah, forehead a little bit, but I don't need this. And then the rest are, then I have 2 hair products. One is a boost item. This is a boost item. This is the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Weightless Mask, and it has 6.7 fluid ounces. I'm excited to try this. I like a thick, like super hydrating mask. The thin ones don't do anything for my hair. It's like the same thing with a conditioner. I put conditioner and then put a mask on top to really have my hair be super hydrated. I do use a leave-in conditioner as well. I like the Way one. The Way has a hair mask, or it's either a deep conditioner or a hair mask. I feel like they're almost the same thing, seriously. One's for thin hair and then one's for thick hair. I have thick hair, so that's the one I've been using. I got that in Fabfitfun and I've really been liking it, and then I repurchased it. And then I got the Amika Soul Food Nourishing Mask, and both these smell good. The Amika one probably smells better, but this one you get less product. So this is 6.7 fluid ounces, and then this is 3.3 fluid ounces. But I'm still excited to try both. I hope they're both nourishing, hydrating like they say, and do all the things they're supposed to do. I'll get back to you on that. And then last but not least, we have the JX, the bronzer. Some of the choices were just, I don't know, very hit or miss. I was excited about the lip product, but some of them I'm like, interesting shade. I don't think I've seen a shade like that before. I like the pan size. That was really smooth. I mean, I don't know what a bronzer is. You can barely see it, but that'll be a nice, like, light bronzer. It has a mirror. Okay. I'm not too picky with bronzers unless they're, like, orange or something like that, or, like, too cool, and they don't blend, but I'm excited about that. Those are all the products I got in my Boxycharm by Ipsy for December. I'm gonna film my January spoilers after this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, and I always end my videos with, you can't take care of others unless you take care of yourself. My form of self-care is Fruit Beauty. What is your form of self-care? Because it's always important to take care of you. Stay safe, healthy, and always do something that makes you happy. And I'll see you in the next video.